In the small village of West Karbi Anglong, there lay an ancient wooden bridge known to locals as the Kali Pool. It was said that years ago, a woman had met a mysterious end there. Since then, on every new moon night, she returns clad in black. One night, Harshan Rompi was escorting his friend Arlen Bapi home. The night was eerily quiet, filled only with the sound of crickets and the chilling breeze from the distant mountains. As they reached the bridge, the faint sound of footsteps echoed behind them. "Who's there?" Harshan called out, his voice breaking the stillness. A silence followed, then a soft, sinister laugh. When they turned, they saw her in the middle of the bridge, a woman with long, disheveled hair, glowing red eyes, and an uncanny smile. Her pace was slow, yet with every step, their hearts pounded faster. Arlen tried to run, but his legs felt paralyzed. The woman raised her hand. The air turned icy cold. The next morning, villagers found only Arlen's slipper and Harshan's phone on the bridge. Neither were ever seen again. It's said that now, two shadows appear on the Kali pool, and a third forever following them.